Welcome back to Love Hate Honda. Today it's going to be the cabin air intake filter. Got this one on Amazon. I upgraded because of all the soot we've had here. It's been bugging me, so I'm trying to get a little upgrade here. There are cheaper ones on Rock Auto. I mean, really cheap, like $5. But let's get to it. Okay, we'll find the cabin air filter is located behind here. But to get it out, you gotta pop off this clip here. This little plastic cover. And it was easy when I did it off camera. That one's off. One over here. Same thing. Alright, you remove this little doohickey next. Once it's off, you twist it, and it should come right out. Almost there. All right, I'm gonna show a close-up of the clip. This one's out. Right back here. Find a pry. Anything flat like a scraper. Or you can do that. Show another close-up of the clip here. And I find that a scraper works the best to get it out. And then the same thing with the one over here. Scraper works pretty well at getting it out. Alright, that's all the extra footage for now. There. And everything will dump out. Alright. Now your cleaner has a clip here. And a clip here. And it pulls right out. Yeah, this one's got some dirt in it. But now let's take a look at the replacement. This is our replacement. Important notice there. Certification of quality. Alright. It says 2.5 microns. Now I'm not sure if I used the plastic tray. Again. Yeah, you have to. A little strip here. I don't know what that's for. I guess that's for different sizes. Okay, we're not in all the way. Okay, we're hitting that little edge there. Alright. Put it back in. Put this back up. Find the little clips that took off. You gotta go past there. Slide it in. Slide it up. And back on. Clip is in. Now to find where the other one went. Insurance. Emergency blanket. Ah, here it is. Here's the other one, which will go in here. But go past the hole. Pop it in. Slide it up. Better. Same thing over here. Push it up farther. Slide it back in. Pop it in. Pop it in all the way this time. This is the soft stop. We'll put that back later, and now we'll do a little test. All right, it is test time. Well, I've got clean air coming in, so I'm happy. Now that saved me $160. $160 is what the dealership would charge for this. So I paid $15. Well worth it. So love, hate Honda, like and subscribe, and we'll make more. All right, that took a little more than 5 minutes. But if you know what you're doing, you can get it done in about that time. But you will get a little sweaty.